This is Intro to Proofs, section 4.1. We're going to do progress check 4.6 and activity, and what's the activity called? 4.7 in this video. So first, we're introducing Venn diagrams. So we kind of did this in one of the preview activities, but if you look at, we're going to draw a couple Venn diagrams. So for number one, we're asked to find shade in A intersect B. That's going to be this portion right here. Okay, for number two, A intersect B complement. So here we might need to have a universal set. A, B, A intersect B complement is what's in A and not in B. That's here. Okay, A, B. For three, oh, I'm sorry, that's number three. Messed that up. Okay. Number two, A complement intersect B. A, B. A complement intersect B, so it's got to be in B and not in A. So that'd be that. And then for four, A intersect B complement. For this one, we're going to color in everything that's not in there as a complement of that. So that'd be all of this. Okay, so those are Venn diagrams. Now let's talk about interval notation for, and on page 163, you can see all the different interval notation stuff you might use. So for number one of activity 4.7, we ask, is the open set AB proper subset of AB? Yes. Why? Well, it's a proper subset because it's a subset. Everything in here, this is basically the real numbers between A and B, is also between A and B here, and this includes B. So this includes one more point, includes B, and this one doesn't. That makes it a proper subset. Number two, is AB a subset of no? Because why would it, how do you show something's not a subset? A is an element of AB, but A is not an element of A to infinity. Okay. Use interval notation to describe the intersection of, so -3, 7, intersect 5, 9. That's equal to, what's in both of them? Well, the smallest number that's in both of them would be 5. The largest number in both of them would be 7. If that didn't make sense to you, how I just did that, try shading out intervals. So if you need to, if you're not sure how to proceed, the shade interval, here's -3 all the way up to 9. Oh man, hopefully I can do some -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh man, I don't even know how I did that all so well. All right, so basically you've got 7. I'm going to shade the other one kind of just beneath it. 5, so 5 to 9. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, so what's in both of them between 5 and 7? That's in both of them. Okay. All right, the union of -3, 7 and the interval 5, 9. Okay. So now, -3, 7, union 5, 9. That's things that are in both of them. Well, that's equal to, the lowest number is -3 in the connect, and the upper number is 9, but it's open. Okay, the set difference. Now I want to know something for your homework. So what if I was given something like that, -3 to 4 union 5, 9. How would I simplify that? There's no way to simplify it. That's just your answer. So if it doesn't connect, then you just leave your answer like that. So there's a homework question where they ask you to do that, and there's really no way to simplify it. Part C, or part B. No, we're on part C. Set difference of -3, 7 minus 5, 9. Okay, so what is in this set that's not in this set? Well, everything up to 5. So that's equal to -3 up to 5, and it's including 5. So that. All right. Write the set x in the real numbers with absolute value of x less than or equal to 0.01 using interval notation. Okay. So that's not. This is all 3. 4. So when you have absolute value less than something, that means it's in between the positive and negative of that value. So x, the real numbers, such that x is, absolute value of x is less than or equal to 0.01. When you have this less than or equal to, that's equal to negative 0.01 to positive 0.01. Okay. And then similarly, x in the real numbers, such that absolute value of x is greater than 2. That's equal to the numbers that are really negative, like more negative than -2. Well, I need to open -infinity to -2 union 2 to positive infinity. Okay? So that's how you would write when the absolute value is greater than a number, it's both sides of that middle interval. All right, that completes our video.